Welcome to Nature and Nature Bar. In this video I am going to cover all the information related to this beautiful Salix plant and like how to grow, how to take care, where to grow, everything is going to be included in this video. And friends, I have captured this video in the metropolitan city of Milan near the Vasco Verticale building. As you can see, this is the Vasco Verticale building, this is the living building, and in future I will make video on this Vasco Verticale also. So friends, now let's see all the information about Salix babylonica plant. So without any further delay, let's move on the video. So botanically it is known as Salix babylonica and its common names are weeping willow, Napoleon willow. And friends, in this we have many species like Salix fragalis, Salix crispa, Salix pendula, etc, etc. But out of all this, babylonica is the most common and most favorite for everyone. So where we can grow this plant? We can grow this plant in subtropical and temperate climatic region where the temperature is below 30 degrees centigrade. And here all these are the memories when I was in India. I found this Salix babylonica in Kadiyam, Rajahmundry. So I just captured it and now I am editing it on my phone. So you can also find this plant in India also, so don't worry. If your temperature is below than 30 degrees, you can easily grow this plant, no doubt at all. So now let's talk about some basic information about this plant. Actually it is a deciduous tree, means it shed their leaf in the winter season and again in the spring the new leaves will come, and it needs full sunlight more than of 6 hours of direct sunlight, and it can grow more than 15 meter in height and it can spread approximately 8 meter of spread. And friends, it can live approximately 40 to 75 years only. And other fascinating about this plant is it changes its leaf color, especially depend on the temperature and climate of a certain area. So generally it turns to light yellow in color, especially in the autumn. And this weeping willow tree get their common name from the way that rains looks like tears when it's dropping off from the curved branches. So this is the reason why it is also known as weeping willow. Now let's talk about its water requirement, because this is the most important things while you are planning for the plantation of Salix plant, because see it loves too much water. This is the reason why it planted near the riverside and in the dampy area. So whenever you are planning for the plantation of Salix, so try to give more and more water, or plant near the source where there is a more water. Okay. And it is easily propagated through hardwood stem cutting, and it can also be propagated through seeds, and it starts flowering during the spring season, but it mostly preferred because of its drooping branches and pendulous like branches. So I am not giving much importance to the flowers because no one will prefer only branches. So now let's talk about how to take care of this plant. So when the plant is young, so only allow single stem, then only it will look very good when the branches droop out. If there is a multiple branches, then there is no use of this plant. So another thing is that it goes dormancy in the winter and shed their leaves. So in that time it needs very good pruning, then only it will be good to see in the spring season. If you do not do pruning, then we can't expect that it will look good in the spring season as we saw in the video. And one thing I forget to tell about this plant, its roots, because its roots always looks to absorb lots of water from the surroundings. So if you are planting this tree near pipelines, then definitely it will go penetrate through the pipe and it will suck all the water. So this is the reason why it is planted along the riverside or along the canal, everywhere, because there it can absorb lots of moisture. Means it will prevent the soil from erosion. And this is the two reason why it is planted near the water canals and river. So I think I have covered all the basic information which I want to share in this video. If I missed something, then please do comment in the comment box, and also you can follow me on my Instagram where I used to share information related to plants, nature and landscaping. And also you can watch my top 10 plant which are very popular and which are very informative if you are planning for landscaping and everything. So please watch in the playlist, you find categorization like top 10 plants, single plant, special plant. So see you in my next video.